Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change out a dollar bill validator in a Dixie Narco 501E live display. The new one is on the left, the old one is on the right. The new one can take $1 bills and $5 bills. The old one I was having troubles with. It can only take $1 bills. It was $175 for the new one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change it out. It's really simple. It's only 4 bolts that hold it on. As you can see when I'm flipping it around, it has a slot right there. That's the 2 bolts right there, 2 bolts right there, and that's easy peasy. That's how you switch it out. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. The wire that I'm showing right there is the wire that hooks up to the dollar bill validator, and it hooks up to the wire that hooks up to the card reader, so it can keep track digitally on the NIAX app how much money is in the dollar bill validator. Right here, I'm trying to line up the pins to make sure they're correct. Don't just try to go force this in there and bend your pins, because then it'll be ruined. That it has to go in there a certain way. Just make sure that you don't do anything to break those pins off inside the bill validator when changing it out. So one problem that I did have, here I am putting the bill validator back in, and I'm going to tighten down the 4 nuts onto the bolts that hold it in. One problem that I did have was my socket was too deep, and I didn't have a magnet on the inside of the socket. So the nuts end up getting pushed back into the socket itself, or they were falling out, and I just had a little bit of trouble with that because they're so small. But changing out a bill validator on a soda machine, a snack machine, it's easy peasy. It's only 4 bolts that hold it in. You just have to make sure you have your wires and your connections correct. That way it operates properly. Alright guys, here we are. We're done. It's all hooked back up. I'm going to use a laser here to show you. These are the 4 nuts that you need to loosen to take out the bill validator. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and you're done. Just loosen those and you're done. And you just have to pay attention to how your wires are hooked up, and it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please like the video, it helps me out. Please leave a comment. I hope you guys have a great day. Have a great holiday season. Thank you. Goodbye.